Hi, in this video we're going to demonstrate a preliminary version of the front end for sovabids. We're going to run this app.py file which is inside the front app subdirectory. We just run it. It will run the front end at the localhost address at the 5000 port. We are also going to run the backend of sovabids, which is inside a file called sova rpc, which is rpc API. So to run that, we are just going to use Python sovabids sovarpc.py, and it will run at the localhost, but at the 5100 port. So we're now going to, if we go to the backend address and port, and we I mean, if we go to that address, you won't find anything there. But if you go to the docs, you will find the specification of the API. Also, the front end will be at this address. It will show a introductory page. Here we can kind of do the conversion. So first we are going to upload the files we want to convert. We can upload a folder here. This folder has 96 files, which comprises let me see if I can find it. Yes, here. It will have 2 tasks, 2 sessions, 2 subjects, SU0 and SU1, 2 acquisitions, AC0 and AC1, and 2 ROMs, 0 and 1. So basically we would upload those files, and it will keep the relative structure of the folder. If we want to, let's say, skip any file, we can uncheck the file here. For example, let's skip the 0 task, 0 session, subject 0, acquisition 0, and 0 ROM file, which is this one. So if we check this, the files of that EEG record, we can skip it. So we just press send. As you notice, the 00000 combination is not here because we excluded it from the conversion. Here it is showing a list of the EEG files. Since this is a brain vision dataset, it just shows the VHDR file, which is the main file containing the header of the EEG record. We press send. Now we will upload the rules file. Luckily I have a rules file here. We'll load it. We will, for example, you can edit the file here. I'm just going to change the name to the demo. We press submit. Now it will show a list of all the EEG records we are going to do the conversion for, and for each record we can edit the mapping. So if we press any record, it will show the mapping in this window below. You can actually edit it So for example, let's edit this first mapping. Instead of having a power line frequency of 50 hertz, let's say it is 60 hertz, and we press send to save that edition. It will return to the empty rules mapping here. But if we press again the same mapping we edited, we will see the modifications. So we press next, and when the user is ready, we press here to do the conversion. It will start doing the conversion. The backend is basically doing its job. Once it's already done, it will automatically go to this page which says your files are ready, and the user can download the files to its computer. Let's see what was downloaded. So here we will see the result of the conversion. We will have a code subfolder and a sovabids subfolder inside of it, and it will hold like the mappings we did for the conversion. We'll have it has a general part which holds the general rules and all the source files that were converted along with the general rules. For each, it would also have an individual part which will be a list of mappings for each EEG record. So for example, this is the first mapping. It will have the modification with it here. So, and the other ones will have the general rules file. We go with it and do modifications on them. So basically it also holds some logs. This functionality is not ready, but maybe we have some information here as of now. Okay, so apart from that information, it will have obviously the result of the conversion, the subject session, subfolders, and the EEG modality of the bits without the acquisition and runs inside. Let's see the dataset description. It holds the modified name we did. Well, basically it basically holds the results of the conversion. So that's it. This is kind of the preliminary version of the sovabids front end.